Now, relation between units of measurement. What is the relation between units? In this you can see 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Using this relation, we can change the units according to question. Now, exercise 1.2 is based on word problems, and in this type of problems, we will convert the units according to question. Now, the first question of exercise 1.2 is: a toy factory produces 5 toys in a second. A toy factory is there which makes 5 toys in 1 second. How many toys will it produce in an hour? And we have to find out that how many toys it can make in 1 hour. So first we will write the given condition, that is production of toys in 1 second, which is given. In 1 second the factory produces 5 toys. So here we will write 5 toys. And we have to find out the production of toys in 1 hour. Now you can see the units are different. In question, in given data, you have given second, and when it is asked the number of toys in an hour. So first we will convert this hour into second. Now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. Now we will multiply this 3600 by 5, because in 1 second the factory produces 5 toys. So in 3600 seconds it can produce 3600 into 5 toys. Now when we multiply these two numbers, we will get the answer 18,000 toys. So the company produced 18,000 toys in 1 hour. Now question number 2 is: the profit of a company in a year was rupees 1,58,64,334. Next year it grew by rupees 7,84,641. What was the profit of company next year? You have given first year's profit and the increase in profit for the second year, and you have to find out the profit of second year. So first we will write what is given: profit of first year. Profit of first year is rupees 1,58,64,334. Increase in profit, it grew by, that is increased by. So increase in profit is rupees 7,84,641. So here we will write the same number. Now we have to find out the profit of second year. So profit of second year is equal to profit of first year plus increase in profit. When we add these two numbers, we will get the answer 1,66,48,975. So the profit of company in the next year is rupees 1,66,48,975. Now the question number 3 is: the population of India in 1990 was 86 crore 45 lakh 65,844. In 2000 it was 98 crore 48 lakh 37,456. In 1990 it was this, and the population of India in 2000 was this, and in 2010 it was 1 arab 4 crore 78 lakh 26,783. What was the increase in each of the decade? Now you have given population of the year 1990, 2000 and 2010, and you have to find out increase in each decade. Increase in each decade, that is difference between these two population and difference between these two population. So in the solution, first we will find the increase in population for decade 1990 and 2000. In this difference is equal to 98 crore 48 lakhs 37,456 minus 86 crore 45 lakhs 65,844. When we subtract this number, we will get the answer as 12 crore 2 lakh 71,612. In the same way, we can find the increase in population for decade 2000 and 2010 by subtracting this number from this number. So 1 arab 4 crore 78 lakh 26,783 minus 98 crore 48 lakh 37,456. When we subtract this number, we will get the answer as 6 crore 29 lakh 89,327. So the difference between the increase in each of the decade is this and this. Now the remaining questions of exercise you will solve the remaining question of exercise, and you can take help of the solution provided in PDF. In the next exercise we will continue in the next session. Thank you.